Okay, now we have the 1st of December. We have a 2-day workshop with Eichenhaard, with Kyoto, and people from, maybe introduce yourself.
My name is Hubert Kuipers and I'm a structural engineer, so I take care of the structures.
Okay.
My name is Lennart Ruder, I'm engineer bij Kop en Bouw Experts.
My name is Patrick Duisiger, I'm an architect of FKG Architecten.
My name is Casper Wissi, I'm a building cost expert.
I'm Hans Tolsen from Eichenhaard and I'm the manager of the project.
Okay.
My name is Frank Kisling, owner of Kyoto, and I'm guiding through this workshop, helping Eichenhaard to develop a nice solution for their dwelling, their housing. First I want to start that we have developed in the last 1.5 day 3 setups. Each setup has a specific topic, so we can follow for the further development the overall idea of each setup. And now I give you a short introduction into setup number 1. Setup number 1, we claimed a traditional sustainability because we want to have here a very sustainable building in terms of grey energy, but in terms of building cost also. So what that means is that we start with a material which is a bit unusual to define a building by starting choosing the material, but we decided to do so. So we used here concrete, wood, and define each material to the functions of the building, like the fundament, the floors, the roof, etc. This guides us through a specific sustainable solution. After that, for this primary construction and secondary construction solution for the material, we choose a system which fits best into this solution. So system and construction goes together. By the help of my colleagues, we did the further development of the architectural expression of this building. And so we saw that we would like to introduce balconies. The envelope to volume area must be very efficient, so we define this in the part architecture. And of course, the structure itself has to be developed, so we decided here to use a grid. It's a skeleton construction. And beside all these definitions of the building itself, we thought about, as engineers and constructors, how to build it, how to define the process to achieve all the goals we have here with the sustainability. So we thought about the building process, and for us it was clear to use BIM technologies to do so. We want to go for prefabrication as much as we can, because we thought and we know that with prefabrication we have the most cost-efficient building site and building process. So this was setup number 1. By the way, we did a very quick performance model of this building to judge the amount of floors, square meters, in facade, in roof, in inside walls, etc. So that means that we have a direct view on the conceptual design of our setups. Jump to setup 2. We claim this setup 100% wood. 100% wood means that we really want to do a 10-story wooden building with as much maximum wood as we can get, because we know wood is a very sustainable material, and with wood we can achieve the sustainability in terms of grey energy very efficient. To make it quick, just go to the setup number 3. The setup number 3, we changed the primary material from wood to steel. And with this setup we thought we should focusing a bit on the sufficiency of this project. And we thought steel is a nice material to combine sufficiency and grey energy and the needs of the project. So sufficient steel is the name of setup 3. And as we have done it for setup 1 and 2, we define first the material, then the system, and after the system, the architecture and the building process. Very interesting is that on each setup, with engineering power here all on the table, We define tiny details to have an overview what happens while build. So that's it for now. I hope you get a short overview of what we have done so far. After lunch we will go ahead and we will have a nice solution in the evening. Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Frank, and good luck.